Hello guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Today we are going to take you up where? We're going on a hike to do, I think is it three Wainwrights? Four Wainwrights. I can't even say it. And we're going to wild camp up on. Let's film the struggle. You meant to go up there, look. Up one. Yeah, you have to. Yeah, that's it. Do you know why I saw that? On the salt path. Yeah. Now hold that and see if I can get through.
Yeah, let me hold it for you.
I wonder if I fit through with
yours is nothing compared to this monstrosity. Oh no.
No, I have to not.
Wow. Yeah.
There you go guys, that's a tip for if you're wearing a bag. Yeah, so we're going up there. I think how many K is it altogether?
Well, let me show you. We go along here. We meet, if you can just about make out, can we zoom in?
I'll point to it there, look.
That's the dip, and the track comes down there. And we meet that track there, directly in front of us, but we're heading around the bottom and up that side. And then the top of there somewhere is Angle Tarn. And then Angle Tarn Pike.
Which
so we're
is,
gonna camp there.
It's a lake, a tarn up on top of the mountain. So apparently it's a good spot for wild camping, because we've never actually done wild camping in the Lake District. So it's our first time. We've done it in Scotland, but not in the Lake District. So come with us. And yeah, we got some cool new toys to try out as well. I got a new compact sleeping bag and a new roll mat and a jet boiler thing, so got some cool new stuff to try out. So it'll be good to give it all a blast. So I mentioned these Wainwrights, and they refer to a specific list of 214 hills in the Lake District, and they were all named after a man called Alfred Wainwright, and he wrote 7 volumes of books, and they were all a pictorial guide to the Lakeland Fells. And hikers like to try and eventually bag or climb all 214 of them, which we are slowly doing. I love these little bridges. We're going up a steep bit now. Out of breath already. That's the downfall when you've got a massive pack on your back. Well, added a couple of bits, but it's about just under 12 kilo. And Adam's is about 20-ish. So his is a bit more, but to be fair, he weighs more, so it's okay. Must get up. See how steep it is.
What is it?
Lovely views up here. We just went up a really steep bit. We had to stop and have a break. It just got really steep really quickly. So we're getting there. We are on 260 meters elevation. I think this is about 500 where we're going, isn't it? So we're halfway.
It's just over 5.
Yeah. We're getting higher. Beautiful. Nothing beats the Lake District for nature. All the green, all the mountains. The only downfall is you have to walk up them. We were quite surprised how many other tents there were out there. When we went off for a little wander, we found that there were at least 10 to 15 other tents spread all around the top. So we weren't as remote and wild as we thought we would be. But we got talking to quite a few of the people, and everyone was really nice. So Adam's just managed to put the tent up. It's our new tent, a Berg House Cheviot 2. Nice and light for backpacking. Well, lighter. Let me just go out a little bit and zoom. There you go. And we got prime position right by the Tarn. So now what we are going to make a nice cup of tea. Yorkshire tea. Here is the new toy that we got from Amazon. Odo Land. You get all the little set, so it's a proper jet boil.
Well, that's a brand.
Yeah. Yeah. But it does the same kind of thing. So Adam's just setting up our little go outdoors table. And we're going to have a nice cup of tea and finally rest. It's not bad. We've got a little seat in our porchway. And if you listen, stop a minute, you can hear nothing. It's so nice. So nice.
How was your cup of tea?
Good. Very good.
Yorkshire tea?
Yep. I'm just measuring out some water now for my dinner. Because I'm making, we bought some of these for our meals. Huels, because it's all dry food. You just have to boil the kettle, put 200ml water in, and I have gone for Madras, 25 grams of protein, so it's what we need, 26 vitamins and 8 grams of fibre.
How many calories?
Plant-based.
How many calories?
The calories are quite low, 364 calories. Per 100 gram, is that 100 gram?
I think so.
Yeah, 110 gram. So let's say 400 calories.
Okay.
So pretty low, but
affordable, really, aren't they? Though?
Yeah, we've got. I bought.
We'll let you know how good they are compared to wet food.
I'll be back. Right.
Are you doing it in that one?
In the big one.
Yeah. I'd have done it in that.
No, I'm just doing my big pot.
You've got to clean that for all your water.
Yep.
Anyway. Looks good.
Looks alright, doesn't it?
Mm.
Bit crispy at the moment. Oh yeah, that's a right kick. You like that?
Does it have a spice rating?
Look, it's got like all the seeds within it. For that bit.
That'll be just their powder stuff.
And they're powder in there. Is that proper seeds?
The powder that you drink. There'll be a bit of whatever they use for that in this.
That guy did that walk, didn't he, remember? And he was just using these. That Africa walk. So he was living off the whole days, every day. He was just using these like lunch. He had obviously a few of them. all the tent is set up. But the annoying boys, or men, went over to that little island over there. I don't know if you could see it, but they're like really rowdy and playing like Minecraft music. I don't think you can see it very good on that camera, but on the second island there they are. But you can hear them from all the way over here. And that, the people over there, there was a little tent over there, and they have just took their tent down and they're moving away because there's quite a few of us on this side, and you can't, like I said, you can't hear anyone. It's lovely and quiet. All you can hear is them lot, rowdy bunch of guys with no tops on. So I'm hoping that they're not going to be really noisy all night, because that will be so annoying. Once darkness fell, stars came out, the clouds drifted, and we could see the whole universe open up. With no light pollution out there, it just looked so awe-inspiring. You could hear the distant noises of other people, but it didn't matter because you could hear nature. And mostly, you could hardly hear anything, and that's what we love about wild camping. It's a bit cloudy today, isn't it? You can still hear the dudes over the other side. Good morning.
Oh, morning. Sorry for disturbing you.
No, it's lovely. We don't mind waking up to nice music. Good morning, guys. The sun has come out finally, and we slept well. We only woke up a couple of times, and the boys weren't that bad in the end. They weren't noisy at all, so that was good. We were happy, and we even woke up to some like panpipey flutes playing this morning. There was a couple of nice guys that were like fishing last night. I was talking to them, and then they were just up here on this. They were just camped up here, and then in the morning we woke up to some nice sort of fluty music. I think I tried to catch a little bit, so I'll put it on for you. So yeah, we're gonna walk that way up there to the next Wainwright this morning. So we'll take you with us. We have made it to Beda Fell now. So this is the, how many is it now? The third one on this trip. And we have to go down that way next. And up there and round to that one right over there. And that was Place Fell, which I've been to before, which was really nice. The view from there is amazing. So we're just having a little water break and basically dying. And then I think we're going to stop for lunch when we get down the bottom, because then we can prepare ourselves for going back up again. Down there, back up there. So yeah. Is you alive?
Yeah, nice. The breeze is keeping me alive.
Adam's just getting a little snack.
Wicking my sweat.
Yeah. It'd be much easier, to be fair, if we didn't have obviously heavy bags. This would be like really easy if we just had a little bag with water and food in
The
it.
whole thing was to camp overnight as well.
Yeah,
though.
because we had the overnighter, you've got such heavy bags. So obviously when you got on the, it's only on the steep bits. On the flat bits, it's no bother. I could just walk for miles on a flat bit. Like on them bits when we were coming up there, that was fine. Just the odd little steep bit. Just going to be down there that we're going to suffer when we go back up there. But like I said, we'll have lunch, and then if you hear from us again, we made it. If you don't, we're dead. So yeah, see you later, guys. We've just come down from right up there. You can see the little Herdwick sheep making lots of noise, and then some white sheep over there. Come down to this little valley, and then to get to the last one we have to go up there. It's lunchtime. Adam's just cooling his feet, and for lunch we have green Thai curry, you know, the Huel, and we were just saying they're really good for the price as well. I think it worked out like £1.33 or something, didn't it?
£2.
£2 something.
£2.30, £2.80.
So
Still half the price of everything.
half the price of the normal meals. So really good. We just stopped at this little bridge, a river. Really pretty.
Can't remember the name of this route.
Gonna have a cup of tea in a minute, and then
It's called Bordale Beck.
Bordale Beck.
Washing my feet in Bordale Beck.
Yep. And he's also gonna have a little drink of Bordale Beck.
That's.
He's gonna boil it and see what it tastes
I
like.
can't believe how clear it is.
Really clear, yeah.
Didn't even filter it. Just secret.
I have made it to the top, guys. This is the last one, called Place Fell. From here is the last cairn. You can see Adam right over there. His blood sugar dropped to dangerously low, so we had to give him some sugar. So he's gone a bit slower, but we scrambled to the last one. But we made it. Here it is. There you go. On the top of the cairn. Look at that. Guys, this view is amazing. Look, there's Old Water miles away. You can just see for like miles. Hello! But yeah. Sweating my head off, red as anything, but we made it. So I think, let me just check my watch. That's 11 kilometres up here today, and then we did 5 yesterday. Apparently it's about 17 altogether, but it's good. You can't get these views anywhere else, I tell you. England just has such amazing green everywhere. And then you can't even see how beautiful it really is on the camera because it's, you know, just the camera, but in the real eye, it's amazing.
Well, I can safely say that was difficult. And I'm glad it's almost over. It's all downhill from now. Looking forward to a proper rest and maybe a pint.
Good morning, guys. We are alive. We made it last night. We got back from the mountain, down from the mountain about, I think it was about 6:30 by the time we got down, because we were going slow on the way down.
Oh, yeah.
There's Adam, he's alive too. We're just camped up in the little spot now, right next to Ullswater.
It's gone north of...
And we're just about to walk
North of
into Glenridding for a nice coffee in a minute. But yeah, we ended up at a pub last night and I got a really nice vegan nut roast. Top notch.
There'll be some pictures, will there?
I'll put a picture up for you because it was really good. What was it called again? The White Lion, was it?
White Lion.
The White Lion
Patterdale.
at Patterdale.
Lovely.
So yeah. So today we're just going to have a chill day because we are feeling it in our legs. In the end, it was 20 kilometres that we did. And 4 Wainwrights. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed our adventure and our first official wild camp in the Lake District. I did challenge Adam to maybe do one in the snow one day, so we'll see how we go. But I think we do need to lighten Adam's bag for sure. So we'll have to maybe get another bag, a smaller one. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and for subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye bye.
Hello from Norfolk Island. Me and Adam just paddleboarded over from over that way, and it's really choppy out there. There was a couple of sailboats and their sails are going, and the boats are flying, weren't they? It's quite cool. But yeah, didn't think the water would be this choppy because it's absolutely gorgeous sun. So it's going to be hard work getting back again. We finished the day off with a little barbecue right on the lakeside. It was a fabulous weekend, full of wild adventure. Even though our feet hurt and we managed to get a tick, would we do it all again? In a heartbeat. Thank you again for watching, guys, and please help us by subscribing.